Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to analyze a product according to the season, meaning how much the sales of a product is compared to the season's period or a seasonal period. Meaning, for example, it can happen that most of the people might consume a lot of Coca-Cola during the summer period, less than in the printer, or they can consume more of nuggets during the winter compared to the other seasons. So let's then see how to use Excel in order to perform all these. So the first thing we need to do is that we create our pivot table, and we are going to use the insert tab, the table group, pivot table, and then we create on a new sheet. And for that, we are going to create our table. As you can see, the values, okay, the different values that we are going to use. Now, as you can see on the column, you can see that they have included the summation. It means that they have already summarized, or they've already summarized all the sales that were made. But anyways, it is possible for you to detach all of them, meaning you put it in or according to what you want. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm actually finding out my values. I don't know why it has been changed. Okay, so we have the dates. Normally the dates good. So as you have done, or as you have already finished all what you've done, you can then group the data, okay, by months, right? So you group the data by months, and then you can choose the name or the period for which you wish the data to be grouped. So I will choose from the 1st to the 5th of April 2026, and then I click on OK. So the data have been grouped, and then from here I can now create my pivot table or my pivot chart. I choose one of the so I will choose the line graph. Okay, I think it will be more appreciable. Good. So as you can see, our graph has been created, and then you can see that there is a peak somewhere. Okay, there is a peak in sales somewhere can see that others are linear, meaning the sum of chips, the sum of Coca-Cola, the sum of nuggets, they are being at their lowest. Meanwhile, you can notice that the nuggets, okay, they are mostly sold. They have mostly sold in the months of February, March, and April. Okay, we already have a trimester. Good. So as you can see, for the others, which is like the burgers, they are more they are less sold in this period. And then in August, September, in fact July, August and September, we have a peak of chips. Okay, so this is how you can actually analyze your table, can analyze your data according to trimesters or according to seasons. So I hope you guys love the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share on our YouTube channel, ExcelXam. So bye bye.